Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to enable the speed limit display in the Waze app on your smartphone. This is a useful feature that helps you stay aware of the current speed limit on any road, making your driving experience safer and more informed. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, find an option called Map Display. Tap on it. Now, scroll down until you find Section Speedometer. Tap on this option to open additional features related to speed tracking. Finally, tap on the setting labeled Show Speed Limit. You will be presented with a few options. Choose the one that says Always. This ensures that the speed limit is always visible while you're navigating, no matter where you're driving. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the speed limit display in Waze. This simple setting can help you drive more safely by always keeping speed information right in front of you.